What's up everyone, I am Sweet JP, this is Sweet Japanese, and today we're going to cover a quick tip that will help you memorize hiragana as well as anything else you need to memorize when you're language learning or studying anything. It's nice and simple, so let's just get straight into it. So when I started studying Japanese, I was taking my first Japanese class in university. I had a hard time differentiating between some of the similar hiragana. For example, ne and re, or nu and me. I kind of struggled a little bit at first. I didn't know how to memorize them, but eventually I figured out a mnemonic that worked for me, an easy way to remember which is which. So here's the trick. You might already know the words neko and inu. So think about neko and inu, and then think about ne and nu. Neko has a little tail, and ne has a little tail, and re does not. And it's the same thing with inu. Inu has nu, inu has a tail, nu has a tail. Nu kind of looks like maybe a fat little puppy with a curly little tail or something. Anything that helps you remember which character is which. So neko has a tail, inu has a tail. And this is just my personal mnemonic. So whatever you use to memorize it could be totally up to you. If you want to say tails is kitsune and kitsune has a tail, that's fine as well. So whenever you are studying and you encounter two things that look similar, or you're having a hard time memorizing, just find a story you can tell yourself or any sort of fun way to remember it, and it'll make it way easier than just writing it over and over and over again, which is what I was initially doing, and that was awful. So just be creative, have fun with it, tell yourself a little story, and that'll actually make learning not only Japanese, but anything so much easier and so much more fun. And that's all there is to it. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment if you like this video, because I have a lot of channels, I make a lot of content, and I really do want to know what I should be focusing on, and any comments will help me figure out what I should be doing. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.